Hi, this is Busy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to bookmark website on Google Chrome. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Have you ever found a website you wanted to view later only to realize you didn't remember the web address when the time came? Bookmarks are a great way to save and organize specific websites so you can revisit them again and again. So how to do it if you want to bookmark website on your Google Chrome on your PC or laptop? It's so simple. So first you can just open your Google Chrome. For example, I will search for website on my Google Chrome and I will bookmark the website. Wait, maybe for the example, I will try to bookmark this website. But before that, I will open a couple of websites. What if you want to bookmark this website? It's so simple. You can see on there, there's like star icon on there. You can just click on that. So here you can add this website to bookmark. You can change the name, the website name, and also add to folder. You will add to bookmark, and you'll find your bookmark by click on the three dots on here, and you can just click on bookmark and list and show all bookmarks. So all the website that you bookmark will be saved in here. And also, if you maybe you open more than one website, like three or more than even more than three, many websites that you open on your Google Chrome, and you want to save all that website in one bookmark. How to do it? It's so simple. I will show you first. I will open another website first and save it to bookmark. I want to save all this website. You can just click on three dots on here, tap on bookmark and list, and you'll find the option bookmark all these tabs. You can just click on that. Here, so you can change the name of the bookmark, or you can click on save. And you can, anytime when this website is closed and you want to reopen that website, you can just open bookmark, all bookmark. So here's the bookmark that you just saved. Open all, and all the website will be open on your PC or laptop. It's a simple, right? So that is how to bookmark websites on Google Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.